Azure File Processing Architecture. Today, we will break down a scalable cloud architecture designed for large file storage and background processing using Microsoft Azure. This design is commonly used in real-world applications such as video platforms, document processing systems, and media analytics pipelines. The system begins with the client or application layer, which can be a .NET Core API, mobile app, or web application. The client uploads large unstructured files, such as videos, images, or documents, directly to an Azure Blob Storage container. Blob Storage is optimized for massive files and supports fast upload and download without requiring structured schema. This removes the need for managing local servers or physical disks, making the system cost-efficient and globally accessible. Once the upload is completed, the client triggers a notification. This is done through services like Azure Event Grid or Azure Pub/Sub mechanisms. The role of Event Grid here is to publish an event saying, "A file is ready for processing." The system does not process the file immediately at the client level. Instead, it pushes the processing task into Azure Queue Storage. Queue Storage works like a message pipeline. It ensures that processing tasks are lined up reliably, especially when thousands or millions of files are uploaded simultaneously. No data is lost, even if the worker service is temporarily down. Next comes the worker service layer, which could be a background service written in .NET Core or an Azure function. The worker continuously monitors queue storage. When it finds a message, it retrieves the file from blob storage and begins processing. This processing may include generating thumbnails, compressing the file, analyzing content using AI, extracting metadata, or performing transformations. After processing, two things happen. The processed media file may be stored back into blob storage for future retrieval. The results or metadata, such as file name, size, resolution, tags, or AI insights, are stored in Azure Table Storage. Table storage is a lightweight NoSQL database used to keep structured records for fast lookup. Finally, when the client needs to access the file, it retrieves it securely using HTTPS, authenticated by SAS tokens, managed identity, or Azure AD. This ensures fine-grained access control, encryption in transit, and enterprise-level security. In summary, this architecture supports high availability, async processing, infinite scalability, automation, and strong identity-based access, a perfect backbone for modern distributed systems built on .NET and Azure Cloud. Let me know if you want me to also generate slides or a diagram explanation for students.